In this short video, we're going to be looking at how to set up an assignment as a digital Dropbox in JetNet. Go to your course, turn editing on. Once editing is on, select the area or the cell, the week, the unit, where you would like the assignment to appear. Click Add Activity or Resource. Choose Assignment from the list of activities, and then click on the Add button. You'll now be in the configuration screen. Give it a title, a description if you desire. If you're using a template that you want students to complete or use in the production of their assignment response, you can add that here, dragging and drop or clicking here and browsing for the file. You can set the availability as you like. And then here in the submission types, you can choose file submission. This will require a student to upload a file to your digital Dropbox here in the assignment. You can configure this with the maximum number of files that you want. Just a note, never use Mahara Portfolio. That's no longer really useful to us. It's legacy. It exists only because it used to exist and it's not used anymore. Online text, as you probably already know, provides a window into which the students can type a response right into JetNet. But in this case, we want a Dropbox, so we're choosing file submission. And then here's an important aspect of this, and that is the accepted file types. Click Choose. Assuming this is a standard file that you want them to upload, typically a word processor document, you're going to choose document files. You can select the ones that you want from here. For example, open document, like a text document is good. I would skip web page. PDF is usually good. RTF is good, and then the 2 word options are good. This will ensure that when a student tries to upload a document, they're uploading a document that you will be able to open with the software that you have available to you. Now, of course, there are many other options here. If you're having them upload pictures, you can choose from picture files. If you're having them upload an audio or video file, you can choose there. But by restricting the file type to the kind that is appropriate for the assignment or task that you're giving them, you're going to make sure that students are guided to only upload that which you want and can use. Save the changes. Then, of course, you can add any other configuration that you typically want to do here. Then save and return to course. Now, when students upload their file, they're going to be prompted to upload a file, and they will only be allowed to upload the type of file that you want. When you're ready to grade it, of course, just click into the assignment that you've created. That will open it, and it's going to tell you if there are any submitted, any that needs to be graded. When you're ready to grade, you can click on grade and go through them all sequentially, or as I prefer to do, I view all submissions. JetNet is being a little slow today. This will show me all of my students, and then it will show me if there's a submission. Now, if there's a submission, then what I do is I right-click on the grade button to open it in a separate window, as you'll see right up here. Give it a while, and it will create a PDF, and it will display it right here for me to grade. And then I can provide the grade. I can provide written feedback here. I can even provide audio or video feedback right here in the assignment. And of course, I have these other tools that I can use to mark up the document that will be displayed here. One tip, sometimes the document creation is slow. Just hit reload and then wait for it to reload. After I assign a grade, I hit Save Changes. I can navigate to the next user that I want to grade right here, or I can page through them. But typically what I do is I open them in the separate window. When I'm done grading, I save the changes and then I close the window, which returns me back to here, and then I can go through and I can grade the next one that has submitted. So this has been a short video on how to set up an assignment as a digital Dropbox into which students will upload a file. And most importantly for this, I've shown you how to restrict the file types that this will accept.